How to fix camera not working on Android problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make a long press on the camera application on your device and then tap on app info. It will lead us to a new page over here. Here, simply tap on the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can clear the cache and tap on OK. If it's possible, you can delete all data as well, but I do not want to do that. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to launch the settings application over here. So launch the settings application and simply tap on about phone and check for the storage option. Make sure you have enough storage on your device, because when you do not have enough storage, you do not get your apps to work properly. So as you do that, if that does not fix your issue, you can just make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart your device. And this might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.